Order by clause. Let's learn more about this clause in this video. Order by is used to sort a sequence of items in ascending or descending order, based on one or more criteria. Ascending means that I want to sort the items from A to Z, from the smallest to the largest, or from the earliest to the latest. Descending means that I want to sort the items from Z to A, from the largest to the smallest, or from the latest to the earliest. It depends on the data I want to sort. For example, if I want to sort strings in ascending order, they will be sorted from A to Z. If I want to sort numbers in descending order, they will be sorted from the largest to the smallest. If I want to sort dates in descending order, they will be sorted from the latest to the earliest. The syntax for the order by clause is quite simple. You simply add an order by clause, followed by the property you want to order by, and the direction of the sort. So, here we either set ascending or descending. The direction is optional, which means that we don't have to set a direction. This means, if we don't set the direction, the default direction will be used, which is ascending. This is how to use this clause. You can use this clause more than once inside the query, depending on your needs. And you can use it anywhere inside the query, but not before from clause. Let's see some examples about different data types, to learn more about this clause. I will start with a simple integer array. I have, for example, the following array, which consists of different numbers. I want to filter this array, to get only the numbers that are smaller than 7. I want to get the output as an integer array. The numbers inside the output array should be sorted in descending order. For that I can use the following query. First I define the data source. After that I have a condition to filter the array, to get only the numbers I need. After that I use select clause, to select the numbers that meet the condition. At the end I used order by clause, to sort the numbers in descending order. So, here I am sorting the numbers, what I selected in the previous clause. As you see, I first used the variable I want to order by, then I wrote the direction descending. This is how to write this clause. The output of this query will be the following array. As you see, I only have the numbers, which are smaller than 7. And all numbers are sorted in descending order, from the largest to the smallest. I can also use order by clause before select clause. I will get the following sequence as output of where clause. This sequence will be sorted using order by clause. After that the numbers will be selected as output. So, the result will be also the same. I can also use the clause before where clause. In this case, the input array will be sorted in descending order. After that, the array will be filtered and the numbers will be selected. The result will be also the same. I can also use the same queries to get the result in ascending order. I only have to replace descending with ascending. Or I can also use the clause without direction. In this case, the array will be also sorted in ascending order, because it's the default direction. This is how to use order by clause to sort an array. This was an integer array, but I can do the same for other data types, like array of string, array of double, array of date time, and so on. I can also do the same for lists. There is no difference between arrays and lists. Let's check another example for data tables. I have the following data table, which contains 3 columns and 6 rows. I want to get only the rows, where the ID is greater than 2. And I want to get the result as data table. The table should be sorted by column first name as ascending order. To do that, I can use the following query. As you see, I used order by clause with the following property. Here I use the column first name to order by. The direction is ascending. This is how to use the clause with data tables. I can also sort the rows by more than one column. For example, I want to sort the table by first name in ascending order, then by last name in ascending order. For that I will set the following expression. The table in this case will be sorted by first name and then by last name in ascending order. I can also sort in ascending and descending for different columns, for example the following expression. Here I am sorting the table by column first name in ascending order, then by column last name in descending order. I can also use more than 2 columns to sort the table. This is how to use order by clause to sort data. As you see, I can sort the data in ascending or descending order. I can also use more than one criteria to sort the data. I can use this clause for any data type I want to sort. The syntax will be always the same. That's all you have to learn about order by clause.